taco review time. Now, typically, of course, we would be outside because that's how we roll. We go ahead and shoot these videos outside, but because it's like the windiest, there's like it's like I live in a tornado. This is right now where I don't know, can you, if maybe my little windsock is just too good. Porter Ranch, California. This place is just so damn windy. But where are we checking out? We are gonna check out a place that I honestly have never had a good experience with Baja Fresh, but we're gonna go ahead and check out Baja Fresh. Now, of course, the rule is you go in there and you tell them, make me whatever your little heart desires. You get yourself, they hook you, oh, you get little tortilla chips. I mean, for $5, they better give you some tortilla chips. And then here's the taco. Now, they gave me 2 hot sauces. One is a mocha takehe chip. I don't even know what they are. I just told him to give me 2 of them, and he said, all right, I'll give you one that's really, really spicy and one that's really, really not spicy. I'm gonna leave that in the bag because I'm just gonna make a mess out of it. And here she is in all her glory. Come on, Baja Fresh, for $5, dude. For $5, this is, I mean, they got the whole kit and caboodle. Like, this taco is right up my alley. These are like $1.50 tacos. These tacos right here, you know, it's got the cilantro, the onion, the 2 tortillas. Tortilla is not crispy at all on the bottom. It's just like, it's super duper. Like, this is supposed to be a flour tortilla, but I swear to God, it feels just like a corn tortilla, but it feels like a flour tortilla. It's like, it's really, really, really mushy. Now, I'm just going by texture. This could probably be an amazing taco, but everybody knows by now we have a 3-bite rule. Okay, you take the first bite. The first bite is gonna go ahead and be with nothing on it. You're gonna send it in raw dog. No foreplay, no nothing. Second bite is going to be with the hot sauce. Third bite is with everything, okay? Typically, though, these like chain type places, they don't do like the radishes. They don't do the jalapenos on the side. And they don't do any of that stuff. Even when I asked them, I was just like, hey, you have like a jalapeno or something you could get me? They didn't have any of that stuff. They're like, but we can get you a bunch of different salsas, hot sauces. I was like, all right, bet, no problem. But 3 bites. Let's go ahead and knock out the first one. Baja Fresh. Baja Fresh, Porter Ranch, California. Let's see how this one's working. Son of a bitch, that's terrible. The flour, the tortilla, swear to God, it's supposed to be a corn tortilla, but it tastes just like a flour tortilla. It has no flavor. It has no, I honestly don't even know what the hell I'm eating. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't even know. Do I really have to eat the rest of this taco? Ugh. All right, so here's a salsa that they have. I'm gonna spill it all over the place. Let me dump some of this out. So here's a salsa that they gave me. This is like pure black salsa. Like, you can't even see it. It just blends into the whole entire little black container that they have. It's like a dark black green. Oh, shit. This is, oh my God. I'm not even gonna lie. I really do not want to take another bite of this. How does it have no flavor? How does it, like, how do they manage to do that? Like, it has negative flavor. All I taste is like nothing. Well, let's see if the saving grace. Now, it wasn't even spicy like the salsa. They said that it was supposed to be spicy. There's no spicy. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe let me try this other one. So this one's a little bit different. This one is a little chunky. It's got, I don't know, I hope it has some flavor or something to it. Oh, for the love of God. I need to put all of it. This is going to be its last saving grace. Baja Fresh, man. So far, you're failing me. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. 0. Don't ever go to Baja Fresh. That was terrible. That was, without a doubt, the most anticlimactic taco that you could possibly have. If this was a first date, I would have walked out on the bill. That's what I would have done. I would have ordered a couple of drinks. I would have been like, excuse me, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and I would have dipped out and just said, peace out, I'm out of here. That's how bad it was. That is terrible. Baja Fresh, do something about your tacos. There is nothing Baja or fresh about what I just ate. Carne asada taco is supposed to be flavorful. The meat is supposed to have that flavor to it. The tortillas are supposed to have a nice little crisp on the outside. It's not supposed to be mushy. It's not supposed to taste like flour. God bless it. That was... Yeah, I'm using my Chipotle. Chipotle surprised me. Chipotle has a great taco. Nothing that you would go ahead and go out of your way for, but because they're everywhere. God bless it. That was terrible. Well, we sell you experience of the tacos, and we'll sell you an experience with the mortgage. If you don't like the mortgage part of it, and as far as mortgage goes, I am a mortgage broker, so if you do need any mortgaging assistance, link in the description below for any real estate inquiries, listing description below. Up to 50% commission rebate. So if you bought a house, I will give you up to 50% back. Who the hell does that? Nobody does that. Nobody. You know who does? This beautiful man right here. That's who does it. And then for 0% listing, it's right, 0% commission listing, no listing fee on selling your home. Link in the description below. Except Baja Fresh. What in the fudgesicles was going on there? That was a disgrace. It's windy. Listen, it's windy. You got me out here in this tornado of a place. Unbelievable. I'm gonna go reevaluate life now. Till next review.